Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your avatars in Call of Duty Mobile. It's actually really simple and easy to do. So I'm just going to head over to the Call of Duty Mobile application really quick. And once you're on Call of Duty Mobile, you just want to go to the top left corner where you see your username in that little square there. So we'll click on the top right corner there, or top left corner, sorry. And then we're going to go over to the second tab. And then you will see is our name and our avatar and stuff like that right here. You want to click right directly on the picture. And then you'll have an option to change your avatar here. So you can just scroll up and down and see what options that you have. And then you can choose one that you would like. You could also change the avatar frame right here, as well as your calling card if you have different calling cards. Obviously, I haven't played a ton yet, so I don't have a ton on here. But you guys get the point. You guys can go through here with the avatar frame, and calling card, and just choose different ones that you'd like. And then just click on show, and then the X button, and then that'll be changed there for you. Very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.